Welcome back. Thinking of taking the bus from Malaga to Fuengirola? Whether you're a visitor or a local, this easy-to-follow guide will help you navigate the route with confidence. We're covering the M113 bus from Muelle Heredia, stopping at Torremolinos Centro, Puerto Marina Benalmádena, and finally Fuengirola, all with no risk of getting lost. Use the Malaga by bus page on my website for directions to all of the bus stations and bus stops in this video. The journey begins at Muelle Heredia bus station, just a short walk from Malaga's port and city centre. Look for the M113 bus, which runs regularly throughout the day. You can check the timetable online or at the station, buy your ticket from the driver, and hop on board. Once you're seated, relax and enjoy the ride along the Costa del Sol. Our first stop is Torremolinos Centro, a perfect place to hop off if you're looking for lively shopping streets, stunning beaches, or fantastic tapas bars. If you're staying in Torremolinos or just want to explore, this is your stop. But if you're heading to Fuengirola, just stay on board. Next up, Puerto Marina Benalmádena, one of the most beautiful marinas in Spain. If you love seafood restaurants, boat trips, or simply a scenic waterfront stroll, this is an ideal stop. Not stopping here? No worries, Fuengirola is just a short ride away. Just a quick tip: when traveling on the bus, or the train for that matter, keep Google Maps open to follow your progress. There are Google Map links on my website to Fuengirola station so you know exactly where to get off. And here we are, Fuengirola bus station, right in the heart of the town. From here, you're just a short walk from the beach, the famous biopark, and plenty of bars, restaurants, and shops. If you're visiting for the day, you'll find everything you need within easy walking distance. When it's time to head back, just return to Fuengirola's main bus station and look for the next M113 heading to Malaga. It'll take you back to Muelle Heredia with the same stops along the way. To make your journey even easier, check the timetable online before you travel. Links are on my website. Use Google Maps or our by bus pages for step-by-step directions. Keep some cash handy for bus tickets. Change is better, the cost is a couple of euros. And if you need Wi-Fi, most cafes along the coast offer free internet. And that's it, your easy, stress-free guide to traveling from Malaga to Fuengirola by bus. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips on the Costa del Sol. Safe travels. Hey there, sun seekers. Planning a Costa del Sol escape? My website and YouTube channel have you covered with resort insights, attractions, local tips, and vibrant festivals, all topped with helpful reviews. Whether dreaming or ready to jet off, my site simplifies your journey. Scan the QR code for pocket-sized guidance on the go. Join the adventure. Explore the links in the description for an effortless Costa del Sol experience. Let's make your getaway memorable. Happy travels! Thanks for watching, and enjoy life.